Hey guys, it's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we are looking at this 2020 GMC 3500 Denali that we just got done fixing up with a new leveling kit and new wheels and tires. If you guys are looking to get your 3500 or 2500 Denali lifted or leveled, you should take a look and see what we did with this build package. To start off, I'm going over the leveling kit that we added, which is going to be a Cognito Stage 2 leveling kit. So with this leveling kit, it's going to come with the new torsion keys and also a new upper control arms, as well as Fox 2.0 shocks. So this leveling kit is really going to give you that ride quality. So if that is something you are concerned about, this is a really good kit for you to choose. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Grappler, which is a tire that we highly recommend. So this one's going to give you the best of both worlds between an all-terrain and mud-terrain tire. It's going to give you the aggressiveness and the looks and some capabilities of a mud-terrain tire with a more aggressive sidewall and a thicker tread. But it's also going to give you the on-road features such as a longer tread life and a quieter ride. If you don't want to go with this tire, there's two other options that we recommend, which is going to be the Fury Country Hunter RT and a Toyo Open Country AT3. Down here we have the TIS 544 in a 22x12, which is going to have about a -44 offset, which is going to give you that nice deep dish look with this finish with that flat face and that big lip. This one's going to have about a 5.5 inch lip on this wheel, which is really going to help it stand out and pop as you go down the road. This finish is going to be that gloss black and machine face. So the entire wheel is going to be all gloss black, and then your entire spokes, the entire face of the spokes is going to be that machine face finish, which is really going to give you a different look, especially with the accents of TIS Off-Road, which is going to be etched into the lip of this wheel. This one does offer open lug, so you can run some spike lug nuts with this wheel if that's something you are looking to do, which is also another good look that you can add. And with that offset, it's also going to push that wheel and tire package out about 4 to 5 inches, giving it a nice wider stance and that little more aggressive look that you can add to your truck. So if you guys like this wheel and tire package, we can go ahead and get this whole build package put on your vehicle right here at Krietz Customs. Make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get everything put on your vehicle now and pay later, so you can just go ahead and enjoy it.